You guys, I am super excited to talk to you about the next upgrade that I'm doing to my 2023 Road Glide ST. We are doing an entirely whole new headlight setup. It's going to be from Baja Designs. Let's run that intro and let's get into it. What is going on, everybody? I am super excited to talk to you guys about the next upgrade I'm going to be doing to my 2023 Road Glide ST, and that is going to be the headlights. Guys, I'm just gonna roll with the flow. Roll with the flow. I'm just gonna flow with the roll.
I'm not a smart man.
On this one, this is nice. I've been keeping my garage door opener in this thrash and tank bag. It's been making it nice and convenient for me. All right, so let's talk about what we are doing. I'm so excited about this this next upgrade on the bike. I had this vision in my mind when I got this bike of kind of where I wanted to take it, what I wanted to do with it, how I wanted it to look, and it is slowly coming together, and I'm very happy with it. And this next upgrade, the headlights, is really going to change the overall look of this bike, and the front end of this bike is going to look completely different. I'm not going to tell you which setup I picked out. We're going to wait till the next video. I will be doing an install video. I plan on doing an install video about this. And also, I want to give a huge shout out to A10 Moto. Go check them out, you guys. Great company. They've got a lot of parts. Baja Designs. And they can definitely help you get set up just like this. So go check out A10 Moto. Obviously, this is Baja Designs, the setup that I'm going with. So today, we got partial package in the mail. Partial package, which I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a unboxing clip. You know what, I'm just gonna cut right through here. Who says I can't? Who says I can't? Let's see, some Bon Jovi play It's My Life, and I gotta cut around the median. Here we go. Woo! See ya. All right, so today I got the package, well, the partial package in the mail, and these are the Squadron add-ons to the setup that I'm going to be running. They look amazing. I mean, look at them. They're going to be so bright, you know. I mean, I'm kind of worried about my bike being too bright, but you know, we're just going to do it. We're just going to go all out, and we are going to send it. We are going to send it. So we got the Squadron add-ons. Now, this is really nice because, you know, this whole setup, they've made it a little bit more, you know, streamlined it and made it all plug and play, from what I understand. So they provide you with the main wiring harness, obviously, and it's going to run to the headlights, and then, you know, you've got these brackets for the Squadron add-ons. There's two sets of brackets that they gave me. I got to figure out, you know, what goes to what. We're going to be taking it to Harley Bob, I believe, to install it, unless I can do it by myself, which I'm kind of iffy about. So I probably will make a video actually installing it with Harley Bob, which will be cool, which will be different. But anyways, what came in this package was the brackets for the Squadron add-on setup. Okay, you've got the main wiring harness. You've got the actual Squadron, you know, pieces, and then they supply you with the hardware, and there's actually instructions in there, which is really nice. I wasn't counting on there being instructions, but I'm very happy there is. That means maybe I could install it myself. So everything looks really, really nice. Again, another huge shout out to A10 Moto and Baja Designs. You guys will be seeing a little bit more of them, and I'll be shouting them out during this process because they helped make this possible, and you can go check them out. But that's the plan, you guys. I just wanted to make a quick video kind of just talking about what the next upgrade is for the bike. You know, there's a lot going on in the world today with the economy and politics and you know, Harley, and oh man, I don't know if I want to get into it, but you know, there's a lot going on today, and I feel like right now is just a really uncertain time, and things are a little bit wild. But you know, Harley, from what I heard, is that they went woke, and I just don't know how I feel about that. I don't know, like, you know, the exact details and everything like that, but you know, I work for Harley. I work at a dealership in sales. I sell Harleys. It's my job. My livelihood is on the line with this, you know, and just I just don't know how I feel about it. Either way, I can tell you one thing: I love my Road Glide, you guys. I love my 23 Road Glide ST. Go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see review videos, if you want to see epic trips and stuff like that. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I am on the front lines, you know, you get to see up close content, and it would really benefit you to subscribe to my channel. No, really, like, go do it right now. Like, I'm not gonna keep talking until you do. Did you do it? All right, good. Thank you for those that have liked and subscribed and have stuck around and supported me through this whole process. You know, I love this industry. I love making content for you guys. Yeah. Woo! It's been a little hot outside everywhere from what I've seen. Sturgis is about to go down. I'm excited. I watch all the videos on that and everything like that. But yeah, guys, just wanted to kind of show you what I'm doing, what the direction I'm going in with the headlights. This kind of gives you a little idea of what I'm gonna do, and I think this is like the first video on YouTube of somebody doing like an install process of this setup. I think I haven't seen any others, so you know, you can see if you like them, how they look on my bike, and if you like them, you can do it. I'll make the process a little easier for you so you can kind of see what you're getting into as far as installation. It's pretty easy from what I've heard, but obviously you got to have a little bit of technical skill and the tools and everything like that. So go ahead, you know, like this video, subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more content and me installing the headlight. But other than that, you guys, I'm just checking in. But overall, the kit looks amazing. This stuff looks really good. I've seen it on pictures of bikes, and the setup is going to look really phenomenal. I'm super excited, so stay tuned, you guys. Like the video, subscribe so you can see the follow-up video about how I installed it and everything like that and how it looks. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I gotta get some groceries because I gotta make some dinner tonight. My name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.